helicopters down here. Alrighty guys, we made it to Arrowhead Provincial Park. We got Jace, we got K-Dog. This is our campsite. Let me show you guys. It's a small campsite, but that's okay. We got power, so we're good. So we're gonna set up.
Place on the ground?
Yes. It's not the bigger one, is it? That's what I was use the other one.
No, let's
do a tent.
Neither do I, but we're gonna land together.
Are you actually serious?
Are you actually serious? You don't know how to
I expect.
shove it in.
First.
Try to go fucking fishing after.
Brilliant.
Fuck yeah, boys, we did it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, we did it. Jerry Vlogs in this. Got the tent set up. It's not too bad. It is what it is. We're gonna set up everything here first. All right, so we've done pretty good. We've done pretty good, guys. Let me show you guys a quick walk around. So we got our tent set up. We're pretty good. We got our kitchen area good. I'm gonna cook some steak and some pork chops tonight. We got the fire. We're not gonna start the fire just yet because I wanna go fishing. We're gonna cook some hot dogs for Kendra and Jace. So let's go over to the fire that Jerry made. You like yours well done, babe?
Yeah, burnt.
Jace, how do you like your hot dogs?
Huh?
How do you like your hot dogs?
Not burnt.
Okay, well, I'll do Kendra's first. So Kendra likes hers well done, guys. We're just gonna leave it over the fire here. Want more done than that?
They're not cooked. There's no way they're cooked.
Kendra,
Yeah, babe, those are getting cooked up.
what bag?
It's in there, Jace.
No.
So I don't really have too much good service here, but we got the fire going. We got some kettle going. I just had some nice cereal. I made them hot dogs over the fire, so nothing crazy. I thought I should show you guys this because I couldn't figure out how to hang the tarp. Okay, so we have a rope right here that is running. That is then connected to the ties that I use to tie down like the ATV and the lawnmower and stuff like that. And I have this one right here running all the way to the tree. And then I got one in the back running to this tree. It's a wild setup, but it works pretty well, so. Alrighty, so we got our site set up, the fire going behind me, and we're gonna cook on the fire tonight. Alrighty, so pork chops, but the fire's a little too big, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna kick that down a bit, and then I'm just gonna put this right on top. Oh, good morning, vlog. It was a rough sleep. Not really, actually. I fell asleep at like 9:30. But then I woke up at 4, bro. I had to pee so bad, but it was so cold outside. So I got dressed, went for a quick pee, came back. It's now 7:30. And the place doesn't open until 8 o'clock. We're going to go get a fire starter, so we're going to slowly start to get up and get dressed. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. Honestly, I didn't have that bad of a sleep till 4 in the morning when Jace woke me up because he had to take a piss and he's like, I can't sleep, I gotta pee. Attempt to cook some pancakes and then we're gonna head into town and go exploring and shit. So let's start breakfast. All right, say good morning, babe.
No,
Say good morning to the vlog.
Never.
It's an adventure, guys. It's an adventure. Yo, huge shout out to all the subscribers, bro. Thanks for supporting the channel and because, bro, they don't have plastic spoons anymore, bro. I gotta use wooden spoons and wooden plates, and It's stupid. All right, guys, so how we're gonna make pancakes is gonna be a little different than usual. We're gonna have to do like little ones at a time just because I don't have a big bowl. We're using milk instead of water, guys, by the way. How do we start a fast fire? We need dry wood. If you get dry wood, you bring it camping with you. So we got some wood here. It's pretty dry. You still got any hot coals left? All right, let's go start a fire. Now, realistically, what you guys do is you put your fire starter in the center here. You kind of almost want to suffocate it, so you just put it down here. And you light it. If you guys don't have paper or anything like that, your best thing to do is go get little twigs and stuff, but everything's kind of wet. And then you can do that like that. I mean, dude, that's a nice solid pancake, boys. What do y'all think? It's a nice pancake. Oh, bounce like a lot.
Sure. Are you having one or two?
I'm having a couple. It's going good, boys. All right, so we got that going. We made one pancake. We're gonna try it. Hopefully, it's semi decent. It's like a rock. I'm just kidding. That was really good.
Really?
Mm-hmm. That was nice. And it's good. Mm-hmm. Got some light stuff on my shirt, but it's okay. Perfecto. Oh man, all right. Now we're downtown Huntsville. Again, I've never been down here. There's some like costume party going on downtown, so we decided to come into town. We're gonna check out the Muskoka store. Alright, so like I was saying, guys, it is packed down here. I guess they're having like a Halloween thing, which kind of makes sense since Halloween's on Thursday and this is the weekend before Halloween. But like, it is crazy busy down here. Jace, go get candy from the cop, please. All right, guys, so this is where we're gonna come fishing after, is down here. So I don't know what we can catch, but as long as we don't catch sunfish, I think we're good. Oh, holy shit! Let's go! Let's go! It's a rock bass.
Whoa!
That is huge. That's a big guy right there. That is a big fish, boys. That's a big fish.
Wow!
Wow.
Is he?
Yeah.
You caught a fishy!
That's how you fish, boys. Oh, I almost took off his toes. Oh, buddy, do it up. Don't hurt yourself.
On the back of the boat.
Alrighty, guys, we're gonna start a fire. Okay, fire started. Bro, no, every time I start the fire, look, it just rains every time. Look at the dark clouds. No, it was sunny, bro. Look, it was sunny. We can't hear just. I don't know if my fire is gonna go out, man, but. Oh, all right, guys, we're on lunch. It's not really lunch, but kind of our last meal we're gonna eat until dinner.
Why are you breaking your pants up like that?
W Bagels in the chat. All right, so we got our bagel. Yo, I just remembered I bought cookies, bro. We got a thing of milk, a couple Oreo cookies. JC Poo, I slept with him last night, eh, chap? Me and him cuddled, because he has the heater and I don't. They put me in the room, like on timeout. Like, yeah, let Jared die. Felt like Tyler. Now I know you felt Tyler being left alone with his sweaters.
You can't post that. Can't post that.
Why not?
That's weird.
I can mute it, but that's okay.
Fuck. Frick me.
Oh, buddy, if you fucking.
Don't do that.
I need my six pack.
Alright, quick vlog update. Is currently 9 o'clock at night. On our second night is currently. Oh, my cards are up. Budge. We're playing Crazy Eights, and Kendra needs a bowl of water. And it's currently -1 outside, so not too bad. The tent's nice and warm. Hi, good morning, guys. It's about. We woke up at 2 a.m. with a car alarm going off and a bear outside, and then I woke up again at 4:30 because I had to pee and I didn't want to get outside, and it's currently 6:30 or 7 something. We're gonna get up slowly and start packing. Alrighty, guys, this is it. Campsite is officially cleaned up, the truck's loaded up, the sun's starting to come out. We are gonna head home, grab some Tim Hortons. So hope you guys enjoy this video.